We're gonna need all the eye combination we can get here. All right, so we've had quite a long couple of weeks. We got the winter 4x4 Jamboree over with. It was good, everything was fun. We're back on the Golden Nugget. This thing's gonna get done and get to Robbie, return to Ed shortly. We're gonna finish up all the stuff we need finished so it can go to paint. We'll get wheels and tires put on it, make sure they clear everywhere. Just some little stuff, so here we go. Let's get after it and get tires on it.
No? It's just a...
We got Landon and Jace in the shop today, in the old shop dog. A rare day for Jace when he doesn't have basketball practice, so he's down here today. Take that one off, put the other one on.
Pretty snazzy.
It's gonna look good. First time seeing it at ride height, actually.
Oh, we're good. That's called a win, isn't it?
It's a win. That's better than I anticipated, actually.
I actually thought we were gonna see scrubbing and rubbing myself.
That's cool. Get it out of the way. Alright, so what we're running into here is, I think when this tire comes up, it's going to rub the inner fender right here. And we've got some clearance issues with the front differential and the oil pan. So what we've talked ourselves into doing is re-drilling the leaf spring about 2 inches farther forward. We'll just roll it forward and re-drill it, bolt it back up. Everything should be great. We got a little room to work with, and we'll do it. You see what that says?
7.7.
Oh yeah, that's tons of rake back. Does it get more or less?
Less.
Okay, perfect. We'll weld those in and then we can slide it forward. Oh, for those of you that don't know what I was just barely checking right here, I was checking the caster angle. We want like 4 to 8 degrees negative caster, so that when you let go of the wheel, it goes straight down the road. Otherwise, it's squirrely, it runs on the top edge. We want it running. So if these were your tires, we want them kicked backwards a little so it's running back here instead of up here. Drive straighter. Those look like what we needed. Let's see. I think I want them out here.
On the outside?
Yeah, I think they need to be right there. Yeah, I think that's where they need to set, is right there. Keep turning. That clears our oil pan by like way better. Gives us way better clearance there. I think that's where it needs to set. So, that's what we're gonna do. We'll go with that. We'll re-drill these springs and bolt them up, and good as new here shortly.
Got him.
I'll grind those up, we'll weld those back on, and then we'll have 2 things done. We'll have the front end slid forward, and we'll have the shock mounted.
Hey, did you weld that on the wrong side? I'm just looking right here and it's looking a lot like you welded that on the wrong side.
I can't win, dude. Len,
Yeah.
you need to cut this back off. Look
least,
at the welds, though.
I mean,
look at the welds. That's pretty
beautiful.
Yeah,
And
not me welded that on the wrong side.
it's gonna be nice because he's gonna get to do her twice.
You go ahead. Just testing myself, and I failed.
Hey, how's that looking now on this side?
Way more better. Shock will fit. Everything will be great there.
That one there is what winning looks like. He got that on the right side?
I don't know. I don't want to cut it off again.
You didn't quality check him? Land. Here, we'll see who wins this race right here.
We're racing?
Yeah, he's already got half of one started.
I love racing. My glove on to be faster. That's still warm. Ow. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Did you see that smoke? That was my finger.
You could still win this race.
I think I let the smoke out of my gloves. You can't put smoke back in once you take it out. It's over. Did you steal my hammering device?
Yeah, I just gave up.
You gave up? It keeps falling over.
Don't give up, just give it a hi-ya.
Well. Pretty sure I won.
Put this
Yep.
one on.
I sure can for $16.95 plus shipping and handling.
This is not mine, so you're gonna have to pay yourself.
Send Matt a bill.
Matt, you're getting a bill because he has no hi-yas left in him.
Yeah. Okay, so get that pin out of there. Get that bolt off and I'll take this one off. Look at that. I'm winning again.
He said hi-ya and it just fell off, Len.
That gave us our Clarence that we needed there. Old Clarence, he came into town and we got it now. Oh yeah, that's plenty long to do what needs done. Let's do this. We need front, rear. We got stretch, run, collapse. Those are the 3 measurements you need when you're building a driveline.
The front will still be slip yoke.
Oh yeah. Okay, I think that's as far as we want to go. So we're gonna go center of U-joint to flange, 21 inches. That collapsed will be full.
Squished in all the way.
Maybe a little
Let's build that thing. Okay, we need that cut in half. Do your work. We got the sleeve fitting on there. So that'll be good. So we'll weld this to that, grind it smooth, slide this up over both of them. Never come off. We're getting shocks dialed in here. It's on. We're gonna need all the eye combination we can get here.
Test it and see if the sleeve will
Oh,
slide.
yeah. What's my chances?
I'd say it's 50-50.
Slides on. Little grinding and then we can weld the sleeve. That's what she looks like beforehand. I love it. Alright, we're gonna do a little. Oh yeah, I think that is the perfect amount of adjustment
That went
clear.
pretty easy.
Oh yeah, this is not a big machine here. This is a small little rock crawler slash grocery getter, cigarette pack getter machine. As Michelle would say, it's cute. Oh yeah, she clears, everything looks prime. Steering, mint. Shocks, she's shockified. We're winning. We're gonna get the exhaust hung under it, get the hangers put on it, and then move on to the next thing. All right, went and got mail today, and we got a gift from Brian Middleton. He hooked us up with a bunch of flapper discs. This isn't all of them. Some sweet drill bits and some gloves. So thank you, man. We'll use them all. I got this package in the mail and it's all sorts of lathe tools and stuff. It's awesome. A guy by the name of Bob Summers, or AKA Sagebrush Bob, sent all this stuff to me. He's a retired machinist and he said he wasn't using it and he thought I might be able to use it, and I can. A lot of it I don't know what is, but there's a lot of it I do, and the stuff I don't know what is, I'll figure it out and we'll use it. But he sent me all kinds of old, these are charts and stuff telling us metric to English conversion tables, and this is pretty dang awesome stuff that you don't see around anymore. We've got calipers tons of bits for my mill and different things. So thank you very much. We will put these to work. We'll dust them off and we'll get them using again. Thank you very much. All right, so new development on the Nugget, which is a cool one. I came down here this morning, figured, you know what? I'll bet you that the rear drive line is about the right length for the front. Put it in there, bolted right up. I don't know if I can see. I don't have a good angle at it anywhere, but I took the rear drive line off the sidekick, or from the sidekick. It bolts right in this for the front one. No modifications required. So we got one drive line left to build. We're gonna get it built. Brian at Driveline Tech is gonna build that for us. I gotta get him the measurements today and he can get it put together. Now I'm gonna put this exhaust back on it. Get the hangers welded to the frame, but not to the exhaust because he's gonna have to take it off to paint it. And finish buttoning stuff up. All right, so body is out of our way again. We'll get the exhaust hung, some little stuff welded up, and then we can mount that body back on this thing permanent-like until Robbie wants to take it off to paint it. Some stuff happening, so. All right, so original shocks went on the inside of the frame like so, but that's not gonna work here, obviously. We don't have enough room. We're gonna go Ford Raptor style. We're gonna mount them on the outside of the frame right here like so. So I just gotta cut this off, weld it on out here, cut this part down here off, and weld it on across the front. It should go right on there. Work perfect. Wonder if we ought to put something so that we don't blow ourselves up. I mean, that rag's probably a good deterrent and everything, but I'm not worried about the fire so much as the explosion. I'm good with the fire. I can put those out. It's the blowing up that I don't want to do, really. All right, so we made these. We just welded them on. This is just bent around. It's not welded to it yet, so we can take that off. We're gonna put one more right back here on the back side. Do the same thing to it. We're gonna mount it right there and then wrap this around. One of these days I'm gonna buy a real live rosebud for this torch. Since all I do is heat stuff up with it and bend it anymore, I guess I ought to own one. I like it. I like it a lot. See any problem with that?
Looks like it goes up and down.
Perfect. We'll put a self-tapper in the frame right there and it'll be there. Then we can run this fuel line right up along the frame to that and then she's done. Little finish welding and we can put it back together.
Okay, she's filming. So we're taking this body down, or putting it on.
It's going back. There you go. Now we just gotta center it all up and fold them down. I think that's good. Now we just gotta cut the floor, put this in and hook it up so Robbie can unhook it. Oh. Just like so. Here. I'm gonna need you to put those on when you get under.
Okay, so where am I putting these bolts?
Right back behind the transmission, right up here. See them? Right over here. I just drilled the first hole.
Yeah.
Put that nut on.
Okay.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, you just hold it there for a second.
Okay, go.
You got her, Toyota. Okay, I'll drill these other holes.
Okay, I'll move.
Okay, I'll drop them down in. You put nuts on them.
Okay. Okay, go.
Okay, we got her. Good job. Way to work, dude.
How was that?
Fun.
So we've been slaving on this thing for a couple of days, getting all the little stuff done so we can get this sucker to Robbie's. We basically got it, right, Randall?
I think so.
Yeah, we're looking pretty good. We got all the doors hung back on it, door jambs in, so he can paint everything that needs painted. So things are looking good. Next video you'll see is me putting the front bumper on this thing, getting the winch all mounted up, and then you'll see it at the Robbie's. So thanks for watching.